Welcome to YouTube Live Screencasting using OBS Studio. Go to Open Broadcaster software homepage and download OBS Studio software for free. Then install it on your computer. Then go to YouTube and sign in to your account. Type in your email address and password and click on Next. Then go to Creator Studio. YouTube is owned by Google, so I recommend using Google Chrome browser with your Creator Studio because some of the tools may not be available with other browsers. Go to Live Streaming. Scroll down to Basic Info. Here you can set the privacy of your video. If you don't want your video to be public, choose Unlisted instead. When you scroll down the page, you can see the share link of your video. You can also see Stream Key, which we will need to work with OBS. So let's go ahead and click on the Reveal button. And then copy the key. Anyone with this key can live stream on your YouTube channel, so you might want to reset it every now and then. Now, let's go to OBS software. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon to add Audio Input Capture. Create New and click OK. From the drop-down menu, choose the microphone you want to be using and click OK. Then let's add Display Capture. Create New. Make sure that the capture cursor is on and click OK. Then go to Tools and choose Auto Configuration Wizard from the menu. Optimize for streaming, click on Next. Set the resolution, click on Next. And from the service dropdown, choose YouTube. And in the Stream Key field, paste the key we copied in YouTube. And click on Next. Then apply settings. And you are ready to go live on YouTube by clicking Start Streaming. Since I'm already streaming, I will show you that this light indicates that you are now live in YouTube, and you can stop streaming when you are done with the recording. You can also record the session, and OBS will automatically save a file, for example in MP4 format, to your local computer so that you can edit it in other softwares later, for example in Adobe Audition or Adobe Premiere. So let's go and see how does your stream look like in YouTube. Scroll up and you see your video, and you see that you are live, and YouTube will warn you if the video output is low and the stream health is not the best possible. Ideally, you would want to see green light appear here. Once you stop streaming, you will see the text offline and stream is complete will appear here, and it will take a little while from YouTube to process the video and archive it to Video Manager. So let's go to Video Manager. After a while, your video will appear here. You might see it processing still, but once it's done, you can click on Edit. You can still change the information of your video, add it to a certain playlist, and go to Advanced Settings and set the video language to the language you are using. And it's a good idea to confirm that this content has never aired on television in the US. This will help you with captioning later. You might not want to publish the video in a feed, and you might not want people to leave comments. Once you have gone through all the settings and you are happy with them, save changes. Then scroll up and you can see that you can add subtitles to your video. You can also view your video, and you can choose the auto-generated English language captions. You can modify the captions later. You can also turn on the community contributions, which means that anyone can make subtitles to your video. This might be helpful if you want your subtitles to be in several languages. You can also add audio to your video. YouTube provides royalty-free audio that you can add to your video. And finally, you can also trim your video in YouTube. Just click the trim button and once you are happy with the editing, click Done. And make sure to save these changes. It will take YouTube a while to process it, but now you have successfully managed to create live screencast using OBS Studio, and the video is archived directly to your YouTube account, so you might save a lot of space on your computer. Or if you saved a file on your computer, you can still edit it with other softwares. Thank you for watching.